There are 7 things your Zoho CRM should be doing automatically, but probably isn't. Stick around because by the end of this video you will know how to fix all of them. Today I'm walking you through 7 integrations we have built for Zoho CRM. Every single one rated 5 stars on the Zoho marketplace. I'm not going to show you how to install them, as you can find that on our marketplace page. But what I'm going to show you is a problem each one solves and what it looks like when it's working. Shopify extension. Let's start with the most common pain point. E-commerce. If you're running a Shopify store, or 3 or 4, your sales team probably lives in Zoho, and every single order in Shopify has to somehow get over to the CRM. So what happens? Someone copies it manually, someone forgets, an order slips through the cracks, and a customer doesn't get followed up with. That's basically a lost revenue. Our Shopify extension fixes this. Look, a new order lands in Shopify and within seconds it is in Zoho CRM. Products, discounts, tax info, customer details, everything. And it doesn't matter if you have 1 store or 5. It syncs them all at the same time. You can even pull in draft orders and abandon checkouts, so your sales team can chase the carts that didn't close. There's a sync log built in, so you can see exactly what came across and when. Bigcommerce extension. Now, not everyone uses Shopify. A lot of you are on Bigcommerce, so we built the same thing for you. Same idea, orders, customers and products flow straight from Bigcommerce into Zoho CRM. Multiple stores supported. Sync history logs so nothing gets lost. And if an order ever does slip through, the extension sends you a reminder so you can chase it down. Same problem, same solution, different platform. If you're selling online, you should not be retyping orders into your CRM in 2026. The database problem. Okay, let's talk about something nobody likes to think about until it's too late. Backups. Your entire customer database lives in Zoho. Leads, contacts, deals, custom models, everything your business runs on. And what's your backup plan? Most companies don't have one. They assume Zoho will always be there, and usually it is. But what about when you need to run analytics on your own infrastructure, or build a custom reporting dashboard, or just sleep at night knowing your data exists somewhere outside the cloud? We built 3 extensions for exactly this: MySQL Easy Sync, PostgreSQL Easy Sync, and our MongoDB extension. They all do the same core sync. They pull your Zoho CRM data into your own database automatically on a schedule you choose. And look, you just pick the modules you want, including custom models, and the extension creates the database structure for you. No manual table setup. If you add a new field in Zoho, it shows up in your database too. And it's smart about API limits. It bundles up to 100 records per request, so you're not burning through your daily quota. Use MySQL if that's what your stack runs on, PostgreSQL if your developers prefer it, and MongoDB if you need the speed and flexibility for huge datasets. The choice depends on your infrastructure, but the outcome is the same. Your CRM data in your database always up to date. Email and phone checker. Alright, now let's talk about the data inside your CRM itself. Here is the question: how many of the leads in your Zoho right now have a real working email address? And how many have a real working phone number? Be honest, you don't actually know. Most CRMs are full of junk, typos, fake emails. People enter to skip your sign-up form, disposable inboxes, phone numbers that don't exist, and every one of those bad records costs your sales team time, chasing nothing. So we built 2 extensions for this. The first one is Email Checker. Look, here's a lead, and here's their email. The extension automatically validates it. It checks the spelling, it checks whether it's a one-time disposable email, and it actually checks whether the inbox exists. Then it updates the lead status in Zoho, so your team knows what's real. And the second one goes even further. It's our email and phone checker. So it basically does everything I just described, Plus, it validates phone numbers the same way. It checks for typos, checks for authenticity, and if the number actually exists. And here's the bonus. If a lead has a phone number but no country field, the extension fills the country in for you, based on the number. Both of these run automatically. Every new lead and every modified lead gets validated the same day. Your sales team stop calling fake numbers and your email campaigns stop bouncing. So, that's the lineup. Let me recap quickly because I covered quite a lot. Shopify and Bigcommerce extensions. Every order automatically in your CRM. MySQL, PostgreSQL and MongoDB sync. Your CRM data backed up in your own database. And the last, email checker and email and phone checker. Your data automatically validated every single day. Every one of them has only 5-star reviews on the Zoho marketplace. That's not luck, that's because we use them ourselves and we keep improving them based on what our customers actually need. Also, a huge bonus from us. You can get a 15-day free trial on every one of these extensions. And here is the thing that I really want you to take away from this video. Each one of these solves a small problem, but if you put them together and suddenly your CRM is doing things on its own that used to take your team hours every single week. Orders syncing, data backing up and leads getting cleaned, all running in the background while you focus on actually selling. If any of these sound like something you've been struggling with, head over to the description as I left special links to all of the extensions right there, just for you. You have questions about which one is right for you? Leave a comment below. I read all of them and I will help you figure it out. And if you found this useful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button, because we put new tutorials and walkthroughs every single week. Thanks guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.